taking your affiliate marketing to the next level. Do you remember back before you even used affiliate marketing to help with your company growth? You probably wonder how you even managed at the time. It is important to make sure you stay on top of the current trends, and this video is just for your situation. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. Affiliate marketers should always be experimenting with different styles and techniques. Since the internet is in a state of perpetual evolution, your affiliate campaign should be, as well. Some things you try are not going to work, but you simply will never know unless you try them out. Experimenting is the way to go. To get a wider range of visitors to click through to your merchants, give them choices. Rather than sell just one hairdryer, sell 5 hairdryers and let them choose their favorite. Giving your visitors options makes them feel in control of the situation. Providing choices also increases your chance of appealing to visitors with specific criteria in mind. Your affiliate website provides your income, so you have to be sure it works perfectly. You need to use a web hosting company with adequately equipped facilities with a guarantee of 99% uptime. Choose a hosting plan according to the traffic you expect. It is also wise to choose a hosting company who provides the customer service you need. To summarize, you have been around affiliate marketing and have a pretty decent grasp as to how to use it to help you. What is important is that you stay current on the new ideas and standards that are used. Hopefully this video will guide you in the right direction. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.